on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making steak chili. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of beef broth, 1 pound of steak cut into small cubes, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of light red kidney beans. You want to drain them and rinse them. 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans. You want to drain them and rinse them also. 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. 5 large garlic cloves minced. 1 medium onion diced. 1 medium green bell pepper chopped. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I have another tablespoon of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of cumin. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And also I have 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper mixed together. We also have sour cream, shredded cheddar cheese, and also scallions, only the green parts I'm using, and this will be for your topping at the end. Okay, for our steak, we're going to take our mixture of our black pepper and adobo all-purpose seasoning. Just going to pour it into it, and we're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. In a heated Dutch oven, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Next, I'm going to begin to add in our steak. We're going to be searing our steak on each side. Once your steak is no longer pink, we're going to go ahead and remove it and place it in a bowl and set it to the side. Now to the same pot, we're going to add in our onion and our green bell pepper. If you guys need to add more olive oil, you can do so. Now we're going to saute this for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to add in our minced garlic. I'm going to saute that for 1 minute. Next, we're going to add in our tomato paste. I'm going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our beef broth. Our crushed tomatoes. Our pinto beans. We're also going to add in our kidney beans. Our cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, our black pepper, and our adobo all-purpose seasoning. You guys can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And lastly, we're going to add in our steak. Go ahead and give it a mix. Make sure it's well combined. Now you want to turn up your heat, and we're going to bring it to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, you want to go ahead and mix it one more time. And we're going to place our lid over top. You want to turn your heat to low, and we're going to let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. And you want to remember to stir occasionally. Okay guys, it's been 1.5 hours. Look how delicious this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and try a piece of the steak and make sure that it's nice and tender. Okay guys, my steak is nice and tender, so I'm going to get ready to plate it. You can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and add on my toppings. I've added on my sour cream. We have some shredded cheddar cheese, and I also added some green scallions. So here we have it, our steak chili. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?